Good evening, I'm Kirk Montgomery. Juliet has the night off. New details tonight about a West Michigan animal rescue forced to shut down after nearly 80 dogs were found living in poor condition. Authorities removed the dogs from inside Cober's Canine Rescue in Norton Shores on Monday. Court documents reveal there was feces and urine covering the floors. We have also learned the owner of the rescue, Lisa Cober, was unaware of how many dogs she actually had and told investigators at least 8 puppies had died since the beginning of January. Cober is now charged with animal neglect and out on bond. Before the shutdown, some of the dogs were adopted out through a local PetSmart store despite being sick and in poor condition. Tonight, we're hearing from an employee who says they knew what was going on but failed to stop it. We have team coverage tonight. Keely Lovern will have more from that PetSmart employee in just a moment, but Josh Albertus leading us off with how Michigan law could complicate matters. And we've been covering this story for quite a while. Josh.
Yes, we have. As we've been covering this story, we've spoken to shelters who have taken in these dogs after they were seized from Cober's home. They've been telling us that the process of rehousing and rehabilitating the dogs could be impacted by that legal process that is currently playing out. Lisa Cober of Cober's Canine Rescue facing a charge of abandoning and cruelty to 25 or more animals after nearly 80 dogs were found in her Norton Shores home in poor and unsanitary conditions. Norton Shores police seizing the dogs earlier this week, with several local shelters now caring for them. But with the legal process playing out, it may take time to fully relocate the dogs.
I think the timer a lot depends on if Lisa Cober is going to release these dogs to the rescues.
Under Michigan law, the dogs are considered Cober's property. For them to be readopted, custody would need to be given up willingly, or the court could grant a forfeiture action, currently being filed by the Muskegon County Prosecutor's Office.
We're currently in the process of filing an action to have those forfeited so that they can be properly cared for at that point. But they've been seized. They're not under her care at the current time.
In addition to property rights, other factors in the case could come into play. Beatrice Friedlander, president of the Michigan nonprofit Attorneys for Animals, said that the dog's own presence in the case could further complicate their recovery.
The other thing to remember is they are evidence now. If there is a criminal case brought, the animals themselves are evidence. So that impacts the ability to find them permanent homes.
Now, Roberts said the next step in this legal process is Cober's preliminary examination, that probable cause hearing in a few weeks. From there, he says it could be anywhere between a month to 6 weeks before the circuit court hearing, when it will be determined if the case will go to trial. Reporting from the newsroom, Josh Albertus, 13 on your side.